If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To convert a background layer in Photoshop into a normal layer, click the background layer in the Layers panel to select it, and then select Layer, New, Layer from Background from the menu bar. Alternatively, right-click the background layer name in the Layers panel, and then select the Layer from Background command in the pop-up contextual menu that appears. After doing either action, the New Layer dialog box then opens. Use the New Layer dialog box to name the layer and set its layer options, just as when creating a new blank layer. Then click the OK button to finish and convert the background layer. Conversely, to convert a normal layer into a background layer in Photoshop within a Photoshop document that doesn't contain a background layer, select the layer to set as the background layer in the Layers panel. Then select Layer, New, Background from Layer from the menu bar to immediately convert the selected layer into the background layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.